Hello friends, today in this video I will show how to change the default terminal in Windows 11. Right click on Windows icon, here click on terminal. You will ask permission, so click on yes or select or click on open settings. Now here default profile, select command prompt. Now right click on Windows icon, click on terminal. Now here click on this drop down, click on settings. Here you will see the option default profile, select command prompt Azure. So I will select command prompt here. Also you will see here Windows PowerShell. Then save it. Now close it. Click on Start, search CMD. Run as administrator. Right click on top bar. Click on Properties. Select here Terminal. Default Terminal Applications. Select here. Select Windows Terminal. Click on OK. Now close it and restart your system. So this is the way guys you can change the default terminal in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.